Hello friends, I'm Nidhan back with my brand new video. Today I'm going to show you best boat toy. It's very cheap, just for 40 rupees, and it's very nice to play. I prefer you to take this. Here are some parts: the boat cover, our main boat, a pipe to fill water, and a spoon in which we'll burn the fire. So let us start. First we'll put the cover on the boat. We have this part which would be hot. Here we have covered it. We also need to have a matchstick box. In the spoon, fill some oil and cotton, which we have to burn. We also get a manual here, so which you can see all the steps. It's in Hindi, but you can also get an English manual from there. As you can see, they are burning this. Sorry friends, we have to wait for just a few minutes. So here it is, it's burned. Now we have to fill the water. Here I have took a tub of water. We have to fill the water in just one pipe. Yeah, in just one pipe. Here we have two pipes. This boat will float on this tub. On this tank, the boat will float and make some noise.
Oh yeah.